If you're trying to decide between Prezi and PowerPoint, this video will make the differences super clear. Whether you're building a school presentation, a business pitch, or a training deck, choosing the right tool can completely change how your message feels to your audience. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about how each one works. PowerPoint uses a traditional slide-by-slide format. That means you move in a straight line from slide 1 to slide 2, then slide 3, and so on. This makes PowerPoint a great choice if your presentation needs a clear structure, a step-by-step flow, or a chronological story. If you want your audience to follow a predictable path from start to finish, PowerPoint is usually the easier and more familiar option. Prezi works very differently. Instead of separate slides, it uses one large open canvas. You place your ideas on that canvas and then you zoom in and out of different areas during the presentation. This makes Prezi non-linear, which means you don't have to follow a fixed order. You can jump around topics, connect ideas visually, and respond more naturally to what your audience is interested in. That's one of the biggest reasons people choose Prezi when they want a more dynamic, conversation-style presentation. Now let's compare animation and motion. PowerPoint has one of the most powerful animation toolkits in the industry. You can control the exact entrance of an element, how it moves across the slide, and how it exits. This gives you a lot of precision. If you want text to appear one line at a time, or an image to fly in from a certain direction, PowerPoint gives you that level of control. It's especially useful when you want polished transitions and very specific visual timing. Prezi takes a different approach. Rather than relying on separate animations for every object, it uses zoom and reveal effects. The movement is built into the presentation style itself, so the audience is constantly seeing the canvas shift and zoom. This can make the presentation feel very engaging and modern, but it's important not to overdo it. Too much movement can sometimes feel distracting, and for some viewers, it can even cause motion sickness. So Prezi works best when the zooming supports the message instead of overwhelming it. Next, let's look at access and editing. PowerPoint is available as both a desktop app and a cloud-based option. That means once your file is saved locally as a .pptx file, you can open and edit it anywhere, even if you don't have internet access. This is a huge advantage if you travel often, present in locations with weak Wi-Fi, or simply want a more offline-friendly workflow. PowerPoint is also widely used across schools and businesses, so file compatibility is another major benefit. Prezi, on the other hand, is a cloud-based software that depends heavily on your web browser. While offline editing may be available in some cases, it generally depends on the plan you're using and the features included in your subscription. So if you want the smoothest experience with Prezi, you'll usually be working online. That makes it convenient for browser-based editing, but less flexible than PowerPoint when it comes to offline work. So which one should you choose? If you want structure, precision, offline access, and powerful animation control, PowerPoint is probably the better fit. If you want a more visual, flexible, and non-linear presentation style that feels more like a guided journey, Prezi may be the better option. The best choice really depends on your presentation style, your audience, and how much control you want over movement and layout. If this comparison helped you understand the difference between Prezi and PowerPoint, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.